If it won't, then wouldn't bother fixing it, dude. Look at that, Christmas stuff. Was yours tough to go in?
Yeah, it was.
So I wonder if we should use some other ones. Oh, let's go on. Come on. Coming. Slowly. Maybe it'll pull it forward enough or something. I don't know if them will go in there, because those are, remember them bolts wouldn't go in. It's a fucking bolt. 2 is good.
Yeah.
Ain't going nowhere.
I mean, it's not like it's holding a lot of weight.
Yeah. That's good. Good. Alright. Fire this thing up and see if the hydraulics leak. Let me get this air filter in here. Do you remember how this came out? Probably came out like that. I tried to put it in like this a little bit ago and I couldn't get to go very far.
Yeah, I think like that fan blade faces will forge that out.
Pull this back.
What? No, it should be the other way.
That's what I thought, but I couldn't get it to stay in, or I couldn't get it to go very far. Flip it around.
Yeah.
Maybe that's far now.
No, that bolt thing in there should be sticking through that.
That's what I was thinking. Wing nut's gotta go on.
Maybe you were right.
Well, now you're safe.
That little one says tighten the wing nut.
Mm-hmm. Well, it says that on both sides.
Wing nut secure. It would have to go.
Okay. That's how we got it. But something's hanging us up here.
Kind of
I don't know what it's hitting in there.
try.
Filter back there. Let's try that.
Now take that one. Ow, my finger back.
There it is. Alright, we got it.
You got that calf over there?
Make There ain't no water in this.
Nah.
It's good.
Loosen up that wing nut thing you got over there. Alright, tighten her down.
If she sees. Give me some PB blasters. What'd you do? That thing's seized up.
Let me give you some.
Yeah.
Get some beef right for that motherfucker right there too.
Yeah. Oh, got a diagram pulled up. Where's that?
You got the bolts for this.
Let's bring on. I'll make a trip.
Not good. We got that big old bucket of stuff that needs to be put back on here, and we're about ready to fire this thing up again.
I don't know, right? No, never a good time.
Here's 4 bolts over here on a magnet tray.
Look like it fit.
Yep.
Be more than that. Sweet.
PPL Bush Shaver made.
Hey, alright. Hey. We're gonna put the belly fan back on there.
Where at? What do you mean?
Not right here.
Oh fuck no, I'm not gonna put it on back on anytime soon.
Well, make sure all the shit's good.
Just gonna make sure the fucking thing's not gonna blow up, everything's gonna run.
That's what Daniel said.
We might want to get up underneath there and have a look at some shit. There might be some stuff we want to clean.
Yeah.
Maybe spray some kind of coating on.
What's that?
Ants, dude, everywhere.
Ants.
Ants, dude, everywhere. Might be some shit we want to clean or spray some anti-rust stuff on. Then we'll put the belly fan on.
We'll put it on probably in the gravel.
Yeah.
Or maybe pull it back up on the concrete pad.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And I didn't look right here on the alternator. It says output right there. But the other.
You just can't keep them off of me.
Can't see what the other two say though. The output's on the bottom.
You got that ratchet over?
Buddy?
Yeah.
Is it?
That's worthless.
Really? It's your buddy.
Yeah. Kind of like Kenny's your buddy.
Yeah. Hey, that's your buddy. I don't know him. What happened to them bike pieces
I
on
don't know
it?
what you did with it.
I can get that, Fred.
You're just standing over there watching.
Yeah, well, he's taking control. My God. What? They're not giving you information?
It's got a picture of 4 or 5 different alternators
Yeah.
and how and what everything is. None of them are ours. And then it's got a picture of what looks like ours, but doesn't show you what everything is. So that doesn't look like ours, I don't think.
No. Well,
Maybe. It's got no capacitor on it right here.
right. That's all.
That doesn't look like ours to me. That looks like it, kinda. But it doesn't show the front of it. That's clearly it. That's exactly what it looks like. But it doesn't show the front. And where everything goes. So we know this one is output,
Mm-hmm.
which makes sense because it's the biggest wire going back to the batteries. But I don't know. That's obviously doesn't count. So it just comes down to basically these 2 black wires. This was originally a brown wire. And does it go here? Or what the fuck is this? This is a ground. It says G and D right there.
Ground.
But I don't know what these 2 posts are for and which one's which. If I had to guess, it's hooked up right already. Pretty sure. But don't know how to know for sure.
Just run it.
Just run it, and if
Yeah.
it dies, switch them around and try that.
Oh yeah.
I just don't know if it'll like
Fuck it up.
short something out or burn something up if it's hooked up wrong.
I could probably smoke or something, wouldn't it?
You would think.
Yeah.
Output terminal 2. It says 2 is the ground terminal, but it's not. Stator terminal, I don't know what a stator terminal is. And 3 wire lead, what's that supposed to plug into?
I was wondering that.
It's supposed to power something. I think it's just supposed to power something, but I don't know what. I also don't know. I need like a battery tester or a meter we could put on there and check to see if it's charging or not.
Yeah, I don't know.
There's that cross thing for hold that in. Keep that from moving.
Oh, okay.
Where's that other little bolt at?
In that bag.
fuel line in here?
Yeah, that red line.
Yeah, that's leaking.
Where at?
It's right here at this.
Oh, it's leaking where it's on at?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I can see.
How
leaking.
bad?
Just barely dripping.
Here's a flathead. You may try to get another.
Burn out of it.
I think it was like one of them crappy clamps.
This black
It's a crappy
hose.
clamp and it's a very crappy hose.
Yeah.
It's just it's the crappiest hose you can get.
This right here is the fuel return, right?
Yeah.
So we were talking about.
Yes, that's the fuel return.
Yeah. Let's see it leaking. Hey, buddy.
Bees. Yeah, stupid bees.
Bees.
Yeah. Sometimes you loosen them pigeons up and then tighten them up again. Sometimes they'll keep doing it. Sometimes they'll seat.
I'm out right here, right here.
I know, right there.
Yeah.
That one there don't need mounted.
This one. Yep. Probably do it right there, just to secure it.
Yeah.
Bye, Papa. Hey. Wave to him. One kisses.
Bye bye.
And bye, Papa.
Bye.
Papa.
Papa. Oh, yeah.
He's gone home.
Home.
Papa going home.
Double this up. Hey, Dozer. Dozer. Dog's being a menace.
And Santa won't leave Brand alone. Santa
Yeah.
run over me.
Being a menace.
What they doing?
Take her for a little spin.
They go drive it. They go start it up. Yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Aunt B. No, it's Uncle B.
Uncle B, buddy. Jeez.
I don't even know how that started.
No, you
Here,
don't.
over here.
Yeah.
Okay. We don't have, I mean, I'm just going to put that right there.
I got some small ones.
Okay.
I think the car seat came in. I think it's in there.
Oh,
I'll
yeah.
open it up and make sure it's the right one. Okay, woohoo!
Look at it.
Can I go take the dozer for a drive? You go drive it? You like it, don't you?
The yellow, big yellow dozer.
Pretty cool.
Fill us off the tracks.
Pretty cute. My papa always tucking his shirts in. Well, get out, dogs.
Tuck your shirt.
Always tucking his shirt in.
Yeah.
Yeah, papa always tucking his shirt in. Say yuck. Say yuck.
More crap everything.
Ew, yuck.